today's here, no? Today's here in the Philippines, no? In Philippines Congress or the House of Representatives is continued to its focus on approving the proposed 6.3 trillion in national budget for 2025, aiming to finalize it before the Christmas recess. Alongside that, the budget deliberations in Congress was prioritizing the oversight and investigations into a lot of issues like illegal activities tied to the Philippine offshore gaming operators or PUGOs, and it is a government funds of transparency. So, however, some proceedings were delayed due to the severe tropical storm Christine, in which has disrupted the activities across the Luzon. Can you? So now you know what was mentioning us. So here in our country right now is facing like a Netflix. The Netflix right now here in the country, that there is a lot of investigations, but those people who are investigate, the one who leading the investigations are the people also convicted in the certain crimes of commissions or convicted the cases of the 7016 or RA 7016, especially here that was convicted here in the RTC 11 of the Tagum City and Davao region in Regional 11, RTC 11, Region 11. So here, what do you mean is that? It is the legal to be promote in our good governance. It is illegality to be promote to leading the countries towards the Filipino people. It maybe it is not, no, because the corruption right now, it's very not hiding us. It's very very showable. It's showing us that the corruption right now is legal. So that's why those people who are prioritizing that the countries right now facing for that incidents or in any incidents right now, there is a lot of crimes commissions, especially throughout the country. There is especially those involved illegal activities here in the country is only for the terms of in the name of those people, members of that Congress. So ganun ho mga kaibigan, that we do not I do not think something about that, because the prioritizing for the beneficials to the people. Are we sure that all Filipino can receive that kinds of thinking to leading the country in order to be an architect of our Philippine Archipelago's law? No?